Look what I just received from Elizabeth Mott. And this is the Queen of the Fill Eyebrow Tint. And it's like mascara for your eyebrows. And it fills it in, and it's perfect for if you have any gray hairs or if you just need a little bit more of a lush look. So especially if you have sparse eyebrows. So from all the years of plucking, my eyebrows are very thin. And because of that, I always have to fill in my eyebrows. And this is really an awesome product. This is also sweat resistant as well. It's gonna stay on all day long, which I really like. It's also smudge proof too. And it also feels lightweight. It just barely covers your eyebrow hair. So it's not gonna feel really thick and gunky, just a really nice look. So let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what the bottle looks like, and you just twist it off. This is in medium dark brown. However, they have other colors to choose from as well. And as you can see, it has a spiral tapered end, and it's also very easy to use and apply. I absolutely love this. I really like the design and the ease of use. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.